Dear gym owner, here's a step-by-step guide on how to add your bank details and make withdrawals from PayGYM. Step 1. Log into your gym admin portal with your email address and password. Step 2. If your gym is registered as a dependent gym, click on Manage Business, then select Business Wallet and click on the drop-down arrow beside Manage Wallet. Then select Manage Bank Accounts. Then you proceed to add bank account details. If your gym is registered as an independent gym, on your dashboard, select Gym Wallet. Then, click on the drop-down arrow beside Manage Wallet and click on Manage Bank Accounts. Step 3. Click on Add Bank Account and input bank name, account number, and account name. Then click on Add Bank Account. An OTP will be sent to your email. Confirm your OTP, and you've successfully added your bank details. Step 4. To withdraw into your account, click on Withdraw Balance. Beside Manage Wallet, enter amount to withdraw and the bank account you want to withdraw into, then select Withdraw Amount. Your withdrawal will be successfully submitted and the money will be deposited in your account immediately.